Okay, here we have a house that the owner has moved in, lived in here since 2002. He doesn't know whether this has ever been cleaned. They do 4 or 5 loads of laundry a week. Children under 10 years old, 2 boys, and of course boys tend to get dirtier than little girls. I've upgraded the compressor to a 6-gallon, and hopefully this will give us enough air pressure to give some impressive stuff to come out of it. We'll see. And I've put a bucket here to try to catch everything so we can get an idea. We're going to give it a rip here in just a minute. I'm going to put this on the tripod so that we can watch this, and we'll go from there. Okay, we've turned it on. We're on fluff, no heat. We're going to insert the cyclone. See how far it'll go. Probably 10-15 feet. There, we're stopped. We're about 10 feet. And here we go. We're going to see what comes out of this beast.